Yeah, 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 yeah. Hey, yo, this shit sound like.
Hey guys, so I'm going to fix my S5 and this is the screen, and the screen break. I think it drop off. No, my puppy did a chew on it and it drop off, so it chew on it and it breaks. So I'm going to fix this screen here. So I'm going to give somebody who put in the screen. Okay, so this is the phone. I'm kind of take the phone apart and I fix it. Him say go take maybe like 10-15 minutes, so I'm going to just wait for him and done.
On your Instagram, I see say like you buy a phone that so you buy like Samsung J1.
It just look weird if you see all my like pull the phone apart and stuff. So I'm going to need one charging port because they're not charged. Because I know some left up on charger this morning.
Yeah, the red light still come up and shows it's charging, but it's not charging because
So this I think this now works, so I'm going to fix it. I have to fix this as well, so yeah, because the phone not charge either. Hey guys, so I just got home and as you can see my phone screen is okay now, but the only problem is I don't remember a code and me I tell you just hard. You see through me having the thing, it kinda sweat and this come off, but I'm gonna add it back for this. But me I tell you, I miss my phone, but only thing I can't remember a code. Me enter it literally 15 times and I can't remember a code. So I know so the vlog kinda short and kinda not really fun and stuff, but next week coming I go have a lot more fun vlog and stuff. So I'm gonna show you a little bit of Paris. Paris gonna like baby when you call him Parpar. Look. Parpar! Come. Parpar, come. Come. Paris, don't sell me out for food. Come. Yay! You see if you're going like that baby. Alright, go and go eat now. Go on. So thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share.